everyone, welcome back to your EVS class. How are you all today? Good, very nice. So, what were we doing in the last video? Yeah, we were studying about community helpers, right? And social workers. Exactly, you were so right. So, what did we study in community helpers? I mean, who are they? What is a community? What are helpers? Who are helpers? And how is a community helper different from a social worker? I mean, I have so many questions to ask you. Are you ready with those answers? I mean, if you have read the chapter, then you must be ready only. But if you haven't read the chapter yet, go जल्दी से पढ़ कर आओ जाओ और फिर वापस आओ वीडियो देखने तभी तो मजा आएगा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने में अदरवाइज जब हमने चैप्टर ही नहीं पढ़ा होगा हमें वर्ड्स ही नहीं पता कि हमें बोलना कैसे फ्रेज कैसे करना है डेफिनेशन और सेंटेंस तो पढ़ने में मजा भी तो नहीं आएगा ना अभी जैसे मैं इतना एक सांस में बोल गई तो ऑफकोर्स मैं प्रिपेयर कर आई थी तो आपको भी तो प्रिपेयर होकर आना चाहिए ना वीडियो देखने के लिए स्पेशली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वाली वीडियो के लिए तो चलिए जाइए फटाफट से कर आइए फिर दोबारा से इस वीडियो को चलाइएगा ओके तो जिन्होंने देख ली है उनके लिए हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं सॉरी जिन्होंने चैप्टर रीड कर लिया है उनके लिए हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं सो कम्युनिटी क्या है कम्युनिटी इज अ प्लेस और अ लोकेलिटी वेयर ऑल पीपल लिव टुगेदर एंड हेल्प ईच अदर right? So in that locality, everybody lives together. Be it a plumber, be it a doctor, be it a policeman, be it your family, be it your friend's family, be it anybody. So, together means I don't mean ki in the same society. It's just the vicinity, the area near you. Fine. When you call some, पापा कहते हैं ना कि प्लम्बर भैया को बुला दे रहे वो पास में ही रहते हैं सो जो आसपास लोग आपके रहते हैं और जो आपकी हेल्प करते हैं सो दे बिकम योर कम्युनिटी हेल्पर if you give something in return to them but if they don't take anything and they help your family members in a way like if you're there are people who run orphanages and there are people who run the shelter dog shelter cat shelter old age home or the people feed people for free so if these people help you they are called social workers because they are not asking anything in return from you okay so to be a community helper there has to be a profession occupation some work okay so doctor what does a doctor do he treats us right he or she treats us gives us medicines when we are sick what does a policeman or policewoman do they catch the thief right and what does firefighters do they blow off the fire they help us save the building or save our lives and what else what does a postman do postman delivers the letters to our doorstep and what does a teacher do they teach you right teacher teaches you like I am teaching you so who am I am a community helper yeah so and and then there comes a family when we live together inside one house under the same roof so this becomes a family right you have your mama papa tai tai ji chacha chachi the siblings the cousins and grandparents with you so it becomes either a joint family or a nuclear family a big family or a small family but we just don't stop here. We do make families outside the home also, right? When you go to school, you have your family of friends there. Teachers are a part of your family only. It's a different family, but we do still make a family, right? Because you spend your whole year with the same teacher. She teaches you. She knows inside out. She knows what's going on inside your brain. She knows what do you want, how much you are capable of and you know your teacher's behavior, nature, attitude, how strict she is, how lenient she is, how lovable she is. So when you know people inside out and you spend time together with them, so they also become your family only, right? Then we studied about social workers like Mother Teresa. So Mother Teresa was a social worker because she built an orphanage for the orphans. Orphans are children, children who have no parents. Fine, due to some reasons, they were just, separated from their parents. So she built a shelter for orphan children and they all lived together. She used to feed them, she used to, teach them. So she was like a motherly figure for every orphan back then. She also got a Nobel Prize for the same, right? We did study that, yeah? So, like Mother Teresa, there were certain other social workers. And till now also, we do have social workers amongst us. We have NGOs, non-governmental organizations, near your houses. So they also help poor people. I know one of this NGO. I'm not gonna take the name, but I know one of the NGOs. This NGO teaches, poor children. They have a school also. They teach poor children up till grade 5, and they also give them midday meal. And after grade 5, it is up till grade 8 now, I guess. And after grade 8 or 9, they help them get scholarship for further studies. They get sponsorship. Like, people go and sponsor the education. They give money to the NGO or to the family of that poor child, कि आप हमारी तरफ से इसको पढ़ा लो आगे. ठीक है? So this happens, right? And if you help poor people, you also become a social worker in a way, right? So हमने community helpers जो पढ़े उसमें क्या क्या occupations थे? Doctor, postman, policeman, the firefighter, the sweeper भैया, and the teacher, right? The nurse, right? है ना? प्लम्बर, कारपेंटर, टेलर, ये सब पढ़ा था हमने. तो सबके अपने अपने काम डेजिग्नेटेड है. लाइक द डॉक्टर नोज हाउ टू ट्रीट यू, द कारपेंटर नोज हाउ टू मेक अ फर्नीचर, टेलर नोज हाउ टू स्टिच क्लोथ्स, प्लम्बर नोज हाउ टू मेक द टैप्स, राइट, टू रिपेयर द टैप्स. यू कैन नॉट कॉल अ टेलर टू रिपेयर द टैप, राइट? आई मीन कर ही नहीं पाएंगे ना. इफ आई आस्क यू टू सॉल्व a question of grade 10, would you be able to do it? No, because you don't know the method, you don't know the concept yet. But only if you study the concept, then you would be able to do it ना. अब टेलर भैया ने प्लम्बर वाली चीज का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं पता उनको, उनको पता ही नहीं टैप कैसे ठीक है, तो टेलर भैया कैसे कर देंगे टैप? नहीं कर सकते ना. अब प्लम्बर भैया कपड़े नहीं सिल सकते, उनको पता ही नहीं कैसे डिजाइन से काटना है, कैसे स्टिच करना है, right? So we have occupation, uh, particular people for each occupations also. And they all live together, near our house only. Mostly near our house. Or maybe they are in touch with your parents because, generally घर पे काम पड़ता ही रहता है बार बार. Right? Then also we studied about the grandparents who live in the house. They take care of you, you take care of them, and then you both they narrate a story to you with the morals. They teach you that you should be doing this, you should not be doing that. So they have a very big role in shaping your nature. That means, nature as in कि जैसे आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है तो ग्रैंड पापा और मम्मा बोलते होंगे कि नहीं नहीं इतना गुस्सा नहीं करते, वो आपको शांत करते, they make you calm. And if you are facing any difficulty in speaking to somebody, so they tell you no no डरने की बात नहीं है, आप बोलो हम बैठे हैं ना. So they actually help you in lot many ways. If you have grandparents at your home, please do regard them, do respect them, do give your the best love you can. And please, because they're very old, so they should get all the love they deserve in this world. And not just the grandparents, you should respect all the community helpers and the social workers as well, right? People who help you, you should say thank you to them. You should offer water, you should offer something really good to eat. You should ask them, would you want to eat this, would you want to drink water, because you helped me, you must be tired. And grandfather, grandmother, you should give them medicines to eat if they have any medications going on. And you should eat your dinner together with them, because obviously breakfast and lunch so you must be having in school, so dinner so you can have together, right? So always include them in everything that you do. They're gonna enjoy it, right? So this was about the chapter. So let us have a quick recap and see what the chapter says. So this was about the chapter. So now let us quickly jump on the question and answers. Directly, this is my favorite part. You know what? Why? Because we get to the test the knowledge, right? हमने कितना पढ़ा, कितना किसने चैप्टर रीड किया, होमवर्क किया, सब पता चल जाएगा अभी. So take the correct option. What do you call people who work to make society better without asking for money? I mean, they are helping you, but they're not asking for money in return. So community helpers ask for money. Then we have to give money to community helpers anyway. Yeah, freedom fighters, soldiers. So, they're also not asking money in return, but they're not coming to your house to help. They're protecting the country out there, right? But social workers do help you and can come to your house if needed, and they will also not ask for the money. Okay. The next is, which of these is not a social worker? So Mother Teresa, Virat Kohli, Annie Besant. ये इनमें से कौन सोशल वर्कर नहीं है? सी मदर टेरेसा तो इज द बिगेस्ट सोशल वर्कर वी नो, राइट? ऑर्फनेज खोला उन्होंने. एनी बेसेंट भी इज अ सोशल वर्कर. विराट कोहली इज अ क्रिकेटर. ही इज नॉट इवन अ कम्युनिटी हेल्पर. ही इज जस्ट अ प्लेयर who plays for the country, so he is a cricketer. Okay. Like we have actor actresses, so it's like Virat Kohli, he's a cricketer. What do some social workers create to help people in need in their community? Kya? People in need in their community. Okay, what do some social workers create to help people in their community? Like what do? They make government programs, they make family support groups, or they make non-governmental organizations. See, non-governmental organizations means it is run by a group of some people, group of few people, but not the government. They are not related to government. Okay, the government official is not related to any of these things. People elect a leader and then they make no, make a NGO, and then they work towards the motive of that NGO. They make a goal कि suppose एक NGO है जिसको सबको खाना खिलाना है फ्री में. जिनके पास खाना नहीं है रोड पे खाने को, उसको फ्री में खाना खिलाना है. So it is their motive. So 10-15 people gather, and then they collect the funds. They ask people to help them to come and gather food or the money, and then they make food for people, and then they feed people for free. So this is their motto. No government is involved in it. No prime minister or president is involved in it. It is people's decision, right? So they make non-governmental organizations to help the people in need. Okay. What are some ways in which children can assist in their homes? So there must be some ways in which you can also be of little help to your family. Like I am not asking you to go wash your clothes or clean your utensils, but there must be certain jobs that you can do, like helping your elder people to read newspaper, giving medications to your grandparents, and winding up your toys after you're done playing, making your bed, okay, cleaning up the house. You can help your family in these manners. So let us see what suits the best. So one is doing job, setting the table, or fixing the car. So what is the best thing that you could do at this age? Like being a grade 3 student, can you go and do a job? You don't even know anything yet, right? How to do a job? Do we know that? No, of course we don't know it. So doing a job is a big no. We cannot do job at this young age. We are meant to play right now. We will play, but also we can take out some time to set the table for the dinner. We can help mama and papa to set the table for the dinner. We can put glasses, plates or spoons, or we can serve water, right? We can set the table so that everybody come and sit together and have the food, right? Fixing the car, we cannot fix the car. We don't know how to fix the car. It's not even a toy car. It's the real car that your papa or mama drives. Can you fix that if it gets, you know, if any problem happens to it? No, we don't know it. अरे I don't know it yet. मैं तो आपसे कितनी बड़ी हूँ, मैं तो कार फिक्स नहीं कर सकती. आप कैसे फिक्स कर लोगे? But आप टेबल तो सेट कर सकते हो ना? Very good. So shall we move forward, or is there any confusion? We are clear with the we are clear with everything. What is a community helper and what is a social worker? Very nice. So let's move forward. Now the next question is match the following. So we have two columns over here, column A and column B. What we have to do is we have to match column A with column B. So I'm going to read all the things in column A and then all the things in column B, and then let's see what matches which option. Okay. So column A delivers letters. 2. Repairs a leaking tap or pipe. 3. Repairs electrical appliances. 4. Maintains law and order. 5. Mends your shoes. Column B. Cobbler, policeman, postman, plumber, electrician. I think this is very easy and you should do it yourself. Don't worry, I'm not giving this as a homework. We will discuss it here only. But you will tell me what to match, right? I am not gonna tell you. I will just listen. I'll use my listening ears, not the speaking mouth, okay? So number one is delivers letter. So who delivers letter? Policeman. C. Very good. Delivers letter. C. Postman. See how easy this is. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Number two, repairs a leaking tap or pipe. Who repairs a leaking tap or pipe? What option it is? Very nice. जोर जोर से सबने चिल्ला के बोला D. Very good. Plumber. Maintains law and order. Electrician भैया maintains law and order by what? Fixing the light? No. Policeman maintains law and order. Very nice. Repairs electrical appliances. Electrician भैया repairs electric appliances. So what are electrical appliances? Electricity या electricity से चलने वाली things. Like आपकी washing machine हो गया, आपकी टीवी हो गई, आपका वीडियो गेम हो गया, आपकी एसी, कूलर, फैन. सो ये सारी चीजें जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलती है उन्हें हम बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस. ओके. देन mends your shoes. Who mends your shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. Very nice. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Grade 3. Now next, fill in the blanks. So what we have to do is we have to complete the sentence with the words that we know. Okay. अब ये तो तभी हो पाएगा ना जब चैप्टर रीड करा होगा. तो अब आप रीड करा आप बोल रहे हो तो फिर अब आप ही मुझे बताओगे जैसे ऊपर वाला करा है आपने. ठीक है. चलो come on, let's be thinkers. Several people work hard to make our life dash and dash. Like how do they make our life? It could be anything. ऐसा नहीं कि चैप्टर में लिखा हुआ बिकॉज ये तो बहुत ही जनरल है ना. मेक आवर लाइफ इजी एंड कंफर्टेबल. बिकॉज यू नो इफ द टैप इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और प्लम्बर भैया नहीं आए तो क्या कंफर्टेबली आप वॉशरूम यूज कर पाओगे? पानी लीक होता जा रहा है, लीक होता जा रहा है, ऊपर टंकी में पानी खत्म हो गया, पानी कहाँ से लाए? क्योंकि वो तो लीक होता जा रहा है. बट अगर वो आते हैं प्लम्बर में ठीक कर दे तो फिर कितने कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं ना हम कि हाँ अब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. राइट. सो several people work hard to make our life easy and comfortable. Number 2, community helpers are paid for their dash. For what? Paid for their work, and work is their basically occupation. So work भी सही होता है but occupation is a better word. Okay. See, हम जब चैप्टर पढ़ते हैं तो हमें ये टर्म्स निकल कर आते हैं और फिर यही टर्म्स होते हैं जो हमें एग्जाम में और अपनी कॉपी पे और अपने आंसर्स में लिखने होते हैं. इसीलिए मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि रीड द चैप्टर. आपको टर्मिनोलॉजीज, वोकैबुलरी पता चलेंगी. ठीक है. NGOs work to make the lives of the dash and dash. एक जो पुअर होते हैं वो और एक जो नीडी होते हैं. अब वो नीडी कोई भी हो सकता है. उनको घर की जरूरत है, उनको उनके पास पेरेंट्स नहीं है, वो ऑर्फन है, उनको एक शेल्टर की जरूरत है, उनको उन लोगों की जरूरत है जो पेरेंट्स की तरह उन्हें रख सके. तो नीड कुछ भी हो सकती है और क्योंकि वो पुअर है इसलिए वो नीडी है. तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे पुअर एंड नीडी. ओके. That is the building block of a society. So what makes up a society? I mean, do you live alone in a society? आपकी colony होगी. No, there must be a place where you are living. So do you live alone in that society? No, different families live together in a society. So family is the building block of a society. Okay. Shall we move forward? Let's go. Write T for true and F for false statement. Both parents and other family members can look after the needs of the family. सिर्फ मम्मी पापा नहीं, और भी फैमिली मेंबर्स है जो नीड्स के लिए दे हेल्प यू. सो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आल्सो लुक आफ्टर द फैमिली, राइट? सो इट इज टू. वो ट्रू. सो टी. चिल्ड्रन कैन हेल्प इन हाउस होल्ड चोर्स. या ट्रू. यू मस्ट डू इट. Any kind of work is called an occupation. True. Social workers and community helpers are not necessarily the same. True. Social workers often work selflessly to help their community. True. सारे ही true है. My God. Give reasons for the following statements. We should have elderly people at home. Because it's not कि होने ही होने चाहिए, अगर नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, बट होने से एडवांटेज क्या होता है कि दे कैन टेक केयर ऑफ यू व्हेन योर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट एट होम. Because we should have elderly people because they teach us life lessons, right? So this is the reason why we should have elderly people at home. We must be thankful to social workers. Yes, we must always be thankful to social workers, not just the social workers, but the community helpers also. Because they help you in your need. They work selflessly, with efforts to fulfill your needs, right? So you should be always grateful and thankful to such people in your life. Then comes answer the following questions. What are community helpers? Give 3 examples. Community helpers are the people who live in our vicinity and help us in our needs. Okay, got it? 3 examples: be doctor, policeman, and postman. Explain the work of social workers. How are they different from community helpers? So the work of social workers is to help the needy people. It is different from community helper because they work with efforts and selflessly. They do not ask for anything in return or any money in return. Okay. List 3 ways in which children can help at home. अब आप ही बता दो, आप चिल्ड्रन हो, आप बताओ कैसे हेल्प करोगे. Like you can make your bed, you can fold your clothes, you can wind up your toys, you can give medicines to your parents or grandparents, and the 5th thing, you can help in cleaning the house. You can pack your bags yourself, or you can set your bags for the school yourself. You can bathe yourself. So you can set the table for the dinner. And एक और कर लेते हैं कोई. You can go to the market with your mama or papa to help them. See, I have told you 10 ways. कोई तो 2 ways का start करो daily. So social workers are individuals who work selflessly for the betterment of the society and often serve the community without expecting anything in return. Give three examples of these social workers. Like you can give the example of Mother Teresa, और मे बी अगर पता है ये आपको मैं कैसे करने बोलूंगी, नॉट जस्ट मदर टेरेसा, क्योंकि मदर टेरेसा को आपने देखा नहीं है, आप बस सुन रहे हो, ठीक है, फोटो देखिए और आप सुन रहे हो, बट आप एक काम करो, आप मम्मा पापा से पूछो आसपास कोई एनजीओ है तो वहां जाके आप उनसे मिलो, उनसे पूछो एनजीओ वालों से कि अंकल आंटी आप क्या कर रहे हैं इस एनजीओ में, आपका मोटिव क्या है, आपका एम क्या है, गोल क्या है, वो बताएंगे, फिर वो आपको दिखाएंगे कि वो इस चीज के लिए कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप उनका नाम लिखिए कि ये है सोशल वर्कर और वो ये काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, आपकी थोड़ी फील्ड ट्रिप होगी, आपको मजा आएगा कि आप कुछ जानने के लिए निकल रहे हो, घूम कर आ रहे हो, फिर ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आप शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्कूल में, फिर उनको भी अच्छा लगेगा। सो ये एक्सप्लोरेशन लर्निंग करने से पता है आप चीजें कभी नहीं भूलोगे, एक बार ट्राई करो ये वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना इस तरीके से, ये तो आपका मैं बेस्ट होमवर्क कहूंगी, आपको तो मजा आ जाएगा ये होमवर्क करने में, ठीक है। और अगर आप घर से बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे तो कोई बात नहीं, आप गूगल कर लीजिए, रिसर्च स्किल्स इनहांस करिए, ठीक है। चलिए आगे बढ़े। नेम द कम्युनिटी हेल्पर एसोसिएटेड विद द फॉलोइंग प्लेसेस। द कूली भैया is helping in hospital, doctor and nurse, in airport, pilot, in school, teacher, right? So this was all about the chapter जिसमें हमने कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स और सोशल वर्कर्स के बारे में पढ़ा। फटाफट से अपना वो फेवरेट सा होमवर्क करिए जाके, फिर अब तो चैप्टर खत्म हो ही गया, अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के, टिल देन बाय बाय।